Hi, I'm Gary Dalla from Martha's Vineyard in Edgartown, Massachusetts. 2 years ago, I started the journey. I started looking online and I found Valerio. And I chatted with some expats who already bought here in beautiful Gratteri. And I absolutely fell in love with the town the first time I came. With Valerio, I was able to look online. I was able to hone in on a couple different properties, and he was able to show me the best ones in town. I wanted a view of the mountains, and if I could, I would have loved a view of the sea, but I settled for the mountain view, which I absolutely love. I chose to buy a house in the historic center, close to basically everything, the Corso Umberto, to restaurants, cafe, beautiful churches. There's one of 7 in the town, and I met so many great people, locals from Gratteri. I've met Polish, German, Dutch, other Americans. It's just been absolutely incredible. I have to say the Sicilian people have the biggest hearts. Everyone has been so amazing here. They correct you when you say wrong things in Italian very nicely. We're on a foreign ambassador chat, 60 of us. So we all communicate weekly, daily, about different things that are happening in the village. I wasn't afraid of a challenge. We went through the house from top to bottom, new windows, new roof, new flooring, new bathrooms, new electrical, new plumbing. The process was amazing. Weekly, I was on phone calls with my general contractor, Francesco, FaceTime, videos. When we started the project and we finished the project, I always got updates on it. And the project took about 1.5 years fully to renovate 4 floors of a historic palazzo. I was connected with a local antique dealer in Palermo, and she helped me with pictures. She helped me stage different rooms in the house. I told her my vision for it. I wanted a mix of antiques with mid-century modern, and I think collectively we work so well together. In the morning when I get up, I usually go down to one of the 2 cafés. I see some of my local friends down there, have a cappuccino. Then I usually go for a 6 or 7 mile walk through the mountain region. Over here, I walk down to the Belvedere. Then I usually go down to either Cefalù for the day, or I'll go to Palermo. I love to go to the antique markets. And then I usually go out to dinner, either locally in town or down in Cefalù, or I've discovered Lascari and also Isnello. I love all the local Sicilian flair. Anything with sardines in it, I'm there. I love all the local pasta. I love the cannoli, or canola, they say here in Sicily. The limoncello. We eat a lot of fish here in Sicily, and a lot of vegetables and a lot of fruit. So our diet is very, very good here in Sicily. Ciao, buongiorno, come stai? I also know how to say buona giornata. Certain things I'm learning little by little, poco poco. And caldo, very hot. Today is very, very caldo.